What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide your Instagram following list. This can help you maintain privacy and prevent others from seeing who you follow. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The most effective way to hide your following list on Instagram is by making your account private. This will prevent users who are not following you from viewing your following list. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. In the Profile section, tap on the menu icon on the top right to access your account settings. In the Privacy section, enable the Private Account option. This will set your account to private, preventing users who are not following you from viewing your following list. Keep in mind that this will also prevent new users from following you without your approval, as you will have to accept their follow request. If you prefer to hide your Instagram following list from a select few, then you will have to block their account. To block a user, navigate to their Instagram profile. Select the menu icon on the top right of your screen and tap Block. You will be asked if you want to block that account or all accounts the user may have or create. Remember that blocking a user will prevent them from seeing any of your activity on Instagram, including your following list. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.